Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice start to the day, and then a slow and cruel remainder. I mean, this thing had a very, very nice bounce, came all the way up here, and then from there, literally just bled and bled and bled the rest of the day. So a very painful way to end the week here, but it's now starting to bring the chart into areas that myself, along with I'm sure plenty of other technical traders, are going to be watching. And I make that comment because, as I've said in many other videos, when you find levels that a lot of other people are watching, then call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have here now with this newest level down at 172.50. Now, does that mean that it's guaranteed to go down there? No guarantees, but the point here being, and let me actually squeeze things down to offer up even more context, is that if the price were to go down to that area and then break down through it, it's a valid thought, it's a rational thought that could very well create just that much more downside selling pressure. Again, guarantee, absolutely not. Rational thought to have, yeah, absolutely. And if 172.50 cannot quite hold up, then the next key overarching level of support after that, not until essentially down there around the 170 mark, which again, I'm not saying it's going to drop down there, that quick, but point here being, there's definitely some more leeway for this to pick up bearish momentum in the event that 172.50 mark can't quite hold up. So those are going to be the main levels of support to watch, or at least that I'll be watching going into next week. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to try to bounce back upwards, key level of resistance now, first level resides right there at about 175.50. So keep a close eye on that. And then you also want to watch those moving averages up above. But in my opinion right now, I think the more interesting dynamic is just how much, more bleeding is to come here. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.